It is that time again. It is time to check in on our paycheck budget to see how we are doing and if I need to make any changes. If you are here for that, then just go ahead and stay tuned. New here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, I am so excited that you are back. My phone is going off, y'all. Like I was saying, hey girl. I hope you guys was able to check out yesterday's video where I talked about being able to save. Everybody can save money. Check that video out if you guys haven't already after you check this one out. But let's go ahead and hop into this video. All right, besties, so we are checking in on the paycheck that I got on September the 29th. So I am currently still trying to work out this closeout sheet. So bear with me as some of these things are marked out. I'm trying to create a sheet that I'll be able to use when I do my 1 week check-ins and then my closeout. I think that will also encourage me to make sure that I check in and close out. So I'm gonna have like some I'm gonna have like some scratches and stuff all over the place, so I'm working on it, okay? All right, you guys, so I've already done all of the pre-work and I'm just gonna go over everything, okay? First, we're gonna start here. So my inflow amount from my paycheck was $1,222.75. This is in my bill account, okay? I do have several accounts, but this is the account that I have the most movement out of because this is my bill account and that's what I'm budgeting. It's my bill account, my expense account, all that good stuff, okay? And then my rollover, I had budgeted that it was gonna be $246.36. Honey, it was $56.37. But I think we kind of talked about that when I did the closeout for the last paycheck. So I definitely had to update this. I have to complete my budgets before I can actually see my paycheck, and I complete them on Wednesdays and I'm paid on Fridays. So there was a little bit of activity that happened, which is the reason why I did not have this correct when I completed the budget. So the actual amount that I started with the rollover was $56.37. So that had us at a total of not that, it was a total of something else. I guess I could have completed that, but I'll complete it on the closeout. So now let's head over to the area of bills. This area, I only have bills, okay? And my tithes were given. I paid my mortgage. I do have a mortgage account, which is separate. That's the only thing that's not included in my bill account. That money is direct deposited into my mortgage account, and I just pay my mortgage out of that account. I have to make sure that that money is untouched, unseen, unbothered with, because we need a roof over our heads. And then HOA, that was paid. So the cable internet, $116.30, that came right on budget. ADT, $68.52, that came in on budget. ADT, $12.15. This is for the actual equipment. This is included on my debt repayment plan that I have. So as soon as I get that paid off, I will no longer have this bill. And then Sirius XM is $6.06, okay? And now we're going down to the variable expenses, and in this area is where I have everything like you see: groceries, toiletries, household gas, any additional spending that I need to do, I will have it in this area. And this is all that I had here. So first, well, not all, because actually when I look at my where is my, oh, this was supposed to be behind this. So this is my expense tracker. I actually do have some stuff that came out So I do need to look at this too. But first, let me stay focused. Let's start with the cash envelopes and see where I am. So I'm gonna write the starting balance for all of these. So looking at what we have here. So groceries, I started at $150. Let's see what we got. Now in groceries, I have, I got a $50 bill in there. I didn't know that. I haven't like gone like real grocery shopping. I've just gone to go get like some stuff here and there. And so I probably won't spend all of this because this is the last week within this pay period. And the things that I want to eat, I want to eat spaghetti and chili, and I am hoping that it doesn't cost. The grocery store is a hot mess. I went the other day and I got not even a lot of stuff. It was like 80 bucks for some. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna go to Ralph's. I know I was telling you guys like, oh, I think I'm gonna do a vlog at Ralph's. I don't know, because yeah, I don't know. I don't know how that experiment is gonna go. So I have 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I got 119 left. So I guess should I put in here what I have left? Yeah, I'm gonna put in here what I have left. So this is what I have left. And then I have some coins. I'm really not going to be really saving my coins like that. It's just, I was saving my coins at one point. It's just not a priority for me to do that any longer. You guys, I'm so excited about, oh, I got some perfume, you guys. I used my gift cards. I used my Fetch. I had $200 worth, or $190, something like that, worth of gift cards from Fetch. Let me tell you guys, if you don't have Fetch, you need to download it. All you need to do is scan your receipts. It's free. You rack up your points and then you can cash them in for gift cards. The perfume that I bought, if you are a perfume lover, let me tell you, just wait. If you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram so that because I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the perfume that I got. So yeah, here's my Instagram handle. Follow me on Instagram. Okay, so this is household. Oh, it's a lot of money in household. How much did I have in household? $60? Couldn't have. Well, oh, you know why? Because I think I had added some money from my side hustle account. Oh gosh. Okay, you guys, I gotta get that together. But for right now, let's see what we have. I haven't been shopping, as you can see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93. So I have $93 left. I think I had added $40 in here from my side hustle account. Toiletries. I definitely went shopping for toiletries because I needed toilet paper. I needed toothpaste and stuff. So I have $11 left. Oops. This is $93 and then this is $11. And then gas. That's all I had here. And these are the receipts. I need to scan this. But definitely, you guys, if you're not on Fetch, so if you plan on getting Fetch, let me let you know to go ahead and use my code. It's right here. And I'll get bonus points and you'll get bonus points. I think, I don't know who gets the bonus points. I don't know if it's both of us. They changed their rules and quite frankly, they suck. But whatever, we will work with them because we still getting gift cards. And sometimes they do have, well, a lot of times they do have where certain weekends you get a lot more points than you would just on a regular day. So download it, guys, so you can get those points, and you can turn them in for all kind of gift cards. I use mine for Nordstrom, so there you go. You could do it for Target and all kind of stuff. So now let me look. Okay, so here is my expense tracker. So I want to calculate the gas. So 79.46 plus 47.47. So far I've spent $126.93 in gas. So we have a little bit left that we haven't. Now this part, I can tell you guys, I like it, especially knowing what I'm doing for gas. Okay, so the check-in closeout sheet is coming together. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Once I get it, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I'm excited. I'm excited because this is really what I've been wanting to know. And then also, as far as like overages, like my Microsoft bill, they keep charging me for this, and I've put in a claim with the bank. I don't know why they keep charging me, so I'm gonna have to, you know, do that again. I did give an extra offering, and then I did have to get some medication that I forgot about, so I really need to make sure that I'm saving money in that area. And then, okay, so now going up to the sinking funds area, I did take out $133 for HOA, $19 for trash, car registration, $12, Costco, $5, AAA, $15, and then down to debt, I did take out $30 for debt. Now for the month, I am gonna need to take out a total amount of $157. So all of these debts I paid off. Now I need to snowball all of these minimum payments into now paying off the Macy's. So it's a total of $133.18. So I've already done the 30, that was this one, but I'm still gonna slice this 157 in half, and you'll see on my next budget how I slice that to make sure that I'm doing the snowball correctly. And then savings, I did save $80. You guys make sure you check out that video because I need y'all to start saving. I need you to start saving. I need you to start paying off debt before 2024. And then this is definitely not going to be the leftover because I don't even have this in the account right now, especially because of that rollover was not correct. So we know that this is not going to be correct either. But that is pretty much it. I feel pretty confident in this actual check-in because I'm really focused on the check-ins and the closeouts. Like, I need them to start giving what they're supposed to give. So I have been serious about really making sure that I'm staying on top of it. And that's really pretty much what we always need to do. Just stay on top of our finances, and it'll start looking and coming out better when we're on top of it. And then to kind of give you guys an update on the no spend, that is going. I'm not going to highlight this in right now because I do that for the gram. I got to do my reel, and I don't feel like setting up my phone right now to do the reel and the YouTube video. So check me out on it. Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. But anyway, I did spend money on Friday. This was the $7, and I was at CVS. And then I did not spend money on Saturday or Sunday. And today's Monday, so we're doing pretty good. Besties, that is everything. This was a good, quick closeout because I did the work before. I didn't want to be taking up y'all time. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house, Netflix and chill.